In this story, kids, you will learn that kindness is like a special gift that keeps on giving. When we do good things for others, it not only brightens their day, but ours as well. This story will show you how a simple act of kindness can lead to unexpected rewards. Once upon a time, in a small, vibrant village, there lived a young boy named Tim. Tim was known for his boundless kindness. He always had a smile for everyone, helped his neighbors, and cared for all the animals in the village. One sunny morning, as Tim was feeding the birds in the village square, he noticed a little bird with a broken wing. It was chirping sadly, unable to fly with its friends. Tim gently picked up the bird and took it to his grandmother, who was known for her wisdom. His grandmother, a kind and gentle soul, wrapped the bird's wing with a tiny splint. She told Tim that they would need to keep the bird safe and cared for until it could fly again. Tim took on the responsibility with a heart full of kindness. Days turned into weeks, and Tim tirelessly cared for the little bird, whom he named Sky. He fed Sky, sang to it, and even read stories. Slowly, the bird's wing healed, and Sky became a part of Tim's life. One day, as Sky was strong enough to fly again, Tim opened the window, allowing the bird to return to the sky with its fellow feathered friends. The moment Sky soared into the open air, Tim felt a sense of joy that was indescribable. Little did Tim know that Sky had a family of magnificent birds living high in the mountains. They had witnessed Tim's kindness and had been so touched by it that they wanted to reward him. One evening, as the sun painted the sky with brilliant hues, a flock of colorful birds descended upon Tim's village. Each bird carried a shiny, glimmering feather, a gift from the birds high in the mountains. They presented the feathers to Tim as a token of their appreciation. Tim was overwhelmed with gratitude and happiness. He realized that the reward of kindness was not always something material, but a heart full of love, the joy of helping others, and the knowledge that even small acts of kindness could have big impacts. And so, dear children, remember that being kind, like our friend Tim, is a treasure in itself. It might not always bring gifts of feathers, but it will fill your life with happiness and warmth. So, go out into the world and sprinkle kindness like confetti, because the reward of kindness is a heart full of joy.